Today, we're going to talk about a company that has been setting the standards in liquid manure equipment production for over 100 years. This is Nuhn Industries, a brand that has come a long way from a small blacksmith shop in Canada to a global leader in its industry. In this video, you'll learn about the technologies and innovations that have made Nuhn Industries a symbol of quality and reliability. We'll reveal the secrets to their success, show how their equipment helps farmers around the world, and explain why their products have remained relevant for over a century. If you're interested in agriculture, technology, or simply love success stories, this video is for you. Let's go. The powerful and efficient Nuhn AliVac self-propelled vacuum cleaner is designed specifically for manure removal in barns and livestock buildings. Developed by Nuhn Industries Limited, known for over 100 years thanks to its ingenious developer Simon Nuhn, and his grandson Dennis Nuhn's continued innovation in the livestock industry, Nuhn's high-performance equipment is recognized throughout the world, continuing to expand and increase its market share in North America, Latin America, Germany, France, Italy, Spain, Japan, Africa and other countries. The self-propelled Nuhn AliVac features a rugged chassis and a reliable vacuum system that effectively removes manure, litter and other debris from floors and alleys. The vacuum cleaner is equipped with a durable suction hose and a scraper that allows it to penetrate narrow corners and hard-to-reach places. The scraper floats on 3 axes of motion, so it can perfectly follow the contours of uneven surfaces on a livestock farm. The Nuhn scraper automatically tilts forward and backward, rotates longitudinally, up and down. The scraper and hose are flexible and durable to withstand the rigors of daily use. The hose features a wide nozzle that increases efficiency by covering a larger area with each pass. The Nuhn AliVac is powered by a powerful Cat 7.1 liters T4 engine producing 275 horsepower. With Lind hydrostatic system, 4-wheel steering, joystick. Has a short wheelbase, 10 feet on 3500 gal, for a very tight turning radius, 2-speed transmission. The vacuum system is powered by 2 Magnum 400 AC vacuum pumps and a full-length auger to remove solid deposits, creating high levels of suction for efficient, fast cleaning of large areas. The engine is economical and runs quietly, minimizing inconvenience to animals and workers. The operator's cabin is located in the center, providing a large overview with large panoramic windows, equipped with a touch display, joystick, heating and air conditioning system. Convenient multi-function buttons for easy operation. The vacuum button creates a vacuum in the tank, the pressure button fills the tank, and the unload button turns on the auger and opens the 12-inch rear valve. The Nuhn AliVac self-propelled manure vacuum cleaner is a reliable and effective tool that makes the cleaning process quick and easy to maintain cleanliness and hygiene in livestock facilities, barns, stables or other premises for keeping farm animals. And it will be an excellent choice for farmers and livestock owners. The revolutionary innovative, BMAD Green Cargo, together with the Joskin Tornado 3 configuration, is an agricultural machine specially designed for highly efficient application of a large fraction of manure into the soil as fertilizer, thereby creating an acid-base balance, forming a favorable environment for beneficial microorganisms. The BMAD Green Cargo machine is designed for large-scale agricultural work. It is equipped with a high-performance Scania V8 engine with a power of 450 horsepower, and in the future it is planned to be equipped with John Deere engines with a volume of 13.5 liters, and a power of 400 to 600 horsepower. It is equipped with a large 20 cubic capacity of Joskin Tornado 3 for loading manure, with powerful grinding and spreading mechanisms in the form of oxen with teeth grinding a large fraction, and shovels, spreading fertilizers from 7 to 16 meters wide, with a capacity of 100 tons per hour. There is also an auger installed at the front, which digs into the pile of manure and loads the container. Does not require additional vehicle for loading. BMAT has equipped the car with a comfortable John Deere cab with an excellent overview and advanced technologies and functions of Fertility Control 4000, an ISOBUS controller, GPS, a convenient control system, ergonomic seat for increased productivity and ease of use, helping to optimize field operations and increase overall efficiency. The BMAT green cargo machine, together with the Joskin Tornado 3 configuration, has a solid construction and durable components that ensure reliable operation and will be a reliable and effective partner for farmers. The Bloger AT5105 DNMS self-propelled 3-wheel 4-wheel drive manure spreader is a high-tech equipment designed for spreading manure on farm fields, slurries, manures and high-flotation biosolids. The 3-wheel, agile design is controlled by a powered front wheel that turns easily thanks to the load distribution unique to the Oxbow chassis. It has a powerful and economical Scania DC09 engine with 400 horsepower. Continuously variable transmission ZFICOM 5.0 CVT. The machine is capable of transporting up to 25 tons of dry manure in one go, which greatly simplifies and speeds up the process of spreading manure. The spreading width is adjustable from 4 to 12 meters. Proper spreading of manure ensures uniform distribution of fertilizers, which contributes to crop growth and improves the quality of grown agricultural products. Comfortable operator's cabin, with climate system, providing good visibility and working conditions. With an intuitive LCD display that displays the status of the unit and its main parameters. The US 340 trailed fertilizer spreader is the latest equipment from the Danish company Samson, specially designed for uniform distribution of manure and other solid organic matter in the fields. US 340 is a universal 3-axle spreader with a volume of 40 cubic meters and a low loading height. The Spreadmaster 8500 control system provides complete control over the machine and its operation, ensuring precise dosing and optimal distribution of fertilizer across the fields. Engineers have introduced the best innovative solutions, making the farmer's work simple and clear. Over the 75 years of its existence, Samson has gained trust and popularity among farmers by offering innovative solutions to improve soil quality and increase yields. The unique tanker KTR Titan is specially designed by ingenious developers to apply slurry and other liquid, semi-liquid fertilizers to agricultural fields. With a capacity of 21,000 liters, it is able to carry a significant amount of liquid, which reduces the need for frequent trips to refuel. The tanker is equipped with advanced features that ensure efficient and accurate fertilizer application. It has a solid construction and a low center of gravity, equipped with large 900/60R38 tires with integrated inflation system, which ensures stable transport even on uneven terrain. The KTR Titan is equipped with a powerful Compower Load Crane (PLC) pumping system that allows you to suck up slurry from open tanks or sumps, consisting also of a Vogelsang pump with a capacity of 6,000 to 18,000 liters per minute with hydraulic drive and replaceable modules for operation. The KTR Titan provides fast and efficient spreading of slurry on agricultural fields. It is equipped with wide distribution nozzles that ensure even distribution of fertilizer across the field, minimizing wastage and maximizing nutrient distribution. The cistern is designed for ease of use, With convenient access points for filling and emptying the slurry, it is also equipped with safety features such as hermetically sealed sealing mechanisms and a reliable braking system to protect both the operator and the environment. Its greater power, advanced features and user-friendly design make it a valuable asset for farmers looking to optimize their manure handling operations. Applying slurry as fertilizer to agricultural fields using a drag hose is an effective method of applying organic fertilizers. Slurry is collected from livestock farms and subjected to pre-treatment, such as settling or aeration, to improve its quality and reduce the risk of soil and groundwater contamination. Special equipment is used to inject slurry, including pumps, hoses and sprayers. A drag hose, such as the 12 meters wide agrometer, is attached to the slurry tank and pumped to the VDB slurry swivel distribution equipment mounted on the trailed tractor. This allows you to evenly distribute fertilizer using nozzles and regulating dispensers, as well as use cultivators to loosen the soil and deeper penetration of the fertilizer, which promotes better absorption by plants and minimizes losses. Proper use of slurry as a fertilizer increases soil fertility, reduces the cost of purchasing synthetic fertilizers and reduces the burden on the environment. The Volvo A40G is a powerful articulated dump truck designed to transport heavy loads to construction and mining sites. It is powered by a 16-liter Volvo D13F engine producing 350 kilowatts, delivering high torque of 1,900 revolutions per minute and fuel efficiency. The A40G has a maximum payload of 40 tons and a top speed of 55 kilometers per hour. The A40G is equipped with the K-Tech 1237 scraper, which is a high-performance earth-moving scraper. It has a capacity of 37 cubic yards, 28 cubic meters, and is specifically designed to efficiently load, transport and unload materials such as dirt, sand and gravel. The scraper is equipped with a hydraulic ejection system, allowing you to quickly and easily unload contents. The combination of the Volvo A40G and the K-Tech 1237 scraper provides a versatile and efficient solution for large-scale excavation work. With a powerful motor, rugged design and advanced features, this ADT and scraper combination makes it easy to tackle tough jobs, increasing productivity and reducing operating costs. Don't forget to subscribe to our craft channel to stay updated and share this video with your friends who might be interested in this topic. Thanks for being with us. See you soon in our next videos.